This is a video for business partners of King's Court Trust. It's your guide to the referrals features in Onsite, which is your online portal to our services. All the features in Onsite to do with referrals and fee share are in the same place in the main menu. The first link, which you may or may not see, is your on-site inquiries. Now this only applies to a certain category of our partners. If you have any questions because you don't see this page, please feel free to get in touch. We cover it in a separate user guide. The next link is Submit a Basic Referral, and this is a really simple, quick way for you to refer to us details of a client or a contact who is interested in being referred to our estate administration services. The form is simple to fill out, with details of the deceased and then details of the contact. You can also add additional information, for example, perhaps just to tell us that the contact is hard of hearing, and you have the option to upload files such as the death certificate or the will, but you don't have to do that if you don't want to. When you're finished filling in the form, click Submit and we will contact the person. And of course, we track any referrals that you make through our systems, and for any referral you make which converts to a sale, you will earn fee share. Through Onsite, you can also check the progress of referrals you've made. To do that, click the Check Case Progress link in the main menu, and then search for a name. Now I can click on this link to see more details about the Teresa Green case. And here I can see that the case manager is Ed James. I can see a summary of the case, and I can also see a breakdown of progress. At the moment I can see that 5 steps have been completed and a further one, but there are further tasks outstanding, and overall the estate administration is 91% complete. So let's say I want to find out more information about stage 6, I'll click the progress bar, and this gives me more details of tasks that the King's Court Trust team have completed and tasks that are ongoing, and for more information about these tasks, just click the bar and it comes up with some helpful guidance. Now you might want to do this simply for your own interest, or maybe you're about to have a meeting with your client and you want to be informed about the progress of their case. But rest assured that your client has access to exactly the same information through their own version of Onsite, and of course they have their case manager who's keeping them up to date with the case. Back on the Check Case Progress page, you can also search for referrals like pending referrals and unsuccessful referrals. And on the main menu, the next link is Fee Share Account. And this is about the fee share that you've earned through referrals made to us. There's a figure for all the fee share you've earned over time, and a table with pending fee share. So here I have the chance to raise an invoice for the fee share due for this referral. And if you see this link, you can click it to create the invoice, follow the instructions, and the fee share will be paid to your account. There's also a tab for the payment history. Back on the menu, Referral Analysis gives you a snapshot of the referrals you've made. It shows you a list of unsuccessful referrals. And the reason we've done this is so you can see reasons why some referrals were unsuccessful. For example, this referral was unsuccessful, according to the King's Court Trust team, because it was lost on price, which means that the client didn't accept the quote. And we hope that this just might give you a feeling for why some referrals were unsuccessful and perhaps help you and us improve conversion rate moving forward. This page also has brief information about the number of referrals you've made and the sales that have resulted, and it gives you a conversion rate. Finally, on the menu, there is a link to more tasks. This has links to the features that I've already discussed, and it also has links to some support and resources, for example, Referrals and Commission FAQ. This has answers to key questions like, when is my fee share payable, how do I send an invoice to KCT, and so on. That's an overview of the referrals section in Onsite. We have separate videos that cover document storage and other aspects of Onsite. We also have a user guide, and of course, please feel free to contact us if you have any questions.